Fuck! Toyota! I broke another one.
So, I lent him my car. He borrowed Riley's truck.
There's no littering, it's a fucking banana! From the earth it comes, to the earth it shall return.
This has been sitting since October. Hasn't really had gas put in it. I started it once and it just spit and sputtered like crazy, misfiring. Cleaned up the plugs, put like 10 liters of fresh gas in it, came back around. And then it sat again for a couple more months. And it did the same thing after I lent it to Cameron. I'm like, yeah, you can use this for a couple weeks, dude. You want to explain what's going on with your car?
I did 2 shitties and I blew it up, kind of. The injectors are failing. So it's only got 2 cylinders right now, so it's kind of sitting at my workplace, not doing nothing.
Shut the fuck up!
It's kind of sitting at my workplace, not doing anything. And I have to wait until January to actually get injectors because
Toyota wanted $312 fucking dollars per injector because they're a bunch of fucking Jews.
And Rock Auto wants 147. So I found them on Amazon. Some kid probably made them in a fucking sweatshop.
What pisses me off is these spark plugs I put in this car when it had 177,000 kilometers on it. It's at 197 now. This is the second time.
Probably fouled them.
Well, that's what I'm thinking, but also I'm certain the plug well seals on the valve cover are starting to go because it's the original valve cover gasket. And when the valve cover gaskets go on these, they fuck up the ceramics on spark plugs really quick. Good burp. Man, my engine!
Oh no.
We have shelter
from the cold. I should have bought a fucking Subaru.
Honestly, this thing's been fucking dead nuts reliable. There's moss growing on my fucking valve cover.
That's great.
Yeah, no, you can see right here, like, the valve cover gasket's just starting to let go. So I'm like, yeah, I'll never do that. I can even smell varnished gas.
Rudolph the Res Dog. Rudolph the Res Dog reindeer.
Merry fucking Christmas, eh, bud?
Chief Nicholas is coming around with all the gifts and smokes for all the kids on the res.
Chief Nicholas. This car is my princess. It's needy, but I love it.
Why?
Because it's a fucking Tercel, dude. How can you not love it?
It has 90 horsepower.
Those were clean. Look
That's
how
not a good sign.
those were clean. I literally just cleaned these and ran it for like 5 minutes. Why are these bigger?
I'm a firm believer that a ruin's cow. Oh, no.
BPR 5EGP. BKR 5.
Fuck!
Hold on.
Alex, I don't want to ride the bus.
Why? Why? You go up to a parts counter. I need this spark plug number. Here you go. You're a fucking retard. I went right up to the parts counter. I'm like, hey man, I need this part number. Can you get it for me? Yeah, sure. 1 second, dude. Can't get anything right.
Should we just take this into town to see if it cleans it out, maybe?
Damn kids these days. I can smell the varnished gas. That's the worst part.
On burnt gas.
I'm just gonna...
We'll take the Subaru, I guess? Or do you want to take this?
I don't fucking have to. Well, I got the Seafoam.
I'll run the Seafoam through then, and maybe see if that cleans it out.
If you work at a parts counter, you should know what the fuck you're doing, not, oh yeah, I know what I'm doing, man, give me a fucking job. Holy fuck. Put someone competent on a parts counter. I knew they'd ruin our country.
They're white. The pee is coming out.
You work right this time? Treat this thing how I've always treated it. Hey, it's running good now.
What the fuck?
Nah.
Never mind.
God, I love this car. Sweet.
God, that smells lovely.
Yep, that's high mileage Seafoam for you. Hey, it's running good now.
Well, let's
I
go
told you,
get
you
some.
just have to drive this car like you fucking hate it.
Let's go get some spark plugs, I guess. I put my insurance on this car. Whoa, I didn't like that noise.
Ah, it's normal. What happens when you pay fucking 5-year-old Chinese children to build your fucking product? For my own good. That's what it's doing all right now. You gonna behave, you little bitch? You gonna do what I fucking tell you?
I'm waiting for one of the rods to just bang.
Oh, they won't. Trust me. You gotta work to make these things blow up. Oh my god, make it stop! Ah, the worms! The worms! Give me the right spark plugs! Fuck!
Gonna rip my fucking balls out.
I gotta pee. The snow has turned to rain.
The snow has turned to shit.
Yeah, touch my rod.
Okay, you're done.
Really gotta piss.
Go piss.
No, I don't think I will.
I'm gonna get snow in your wiener.
I'm gonna snow in my wiener.
I'd give her a decent wienering.
Me walking out after giving her a decent wienering. She's These aren't the right ones.
They have to be. You just fucking looked at the part number. If they
I had
aren't
to
right.
do it myself because the parts counter's so goddamn useless.
Actually, I did.
Everything sucks. Smell it.
It smells like unburnt gas.
It smells like... No, that's varnished gas.
Probably pulling in some money.
Spend it on fucking 8 balls and dead hookers.
He's right.
What's the fun in a live hooker?
Not the sex, I'll tell you that much.
Oh, that's even better. Le boogies. Le boogies. Le boogies. Boogers are just nose cum. Let's see what happens now. I think we should just take it for a fucking drive.
Let's go. Oh, so you're holding the button.
That's how you drift a Tercel by.
All right, yeah, I wasn't being aggressive enough with it, clearly.
Oh, fuck, I love this car.
Fuck, I need the fucking matrix working again. Oh shit. Fuck.